People keep comparing AI to the Industrial Revolution. But I think that comparison is too small. The key technology of the first Industrial Revolution was the steam engine. The basic idea was simple. Boil water, create steam, use that pressure to move a piston, turn that motion into mechanical power. By today's standards, it looks crude. But that crude machine started replacing human muscle and animal muscle. It powered textile factories. It pumped water out of coal mines. It moved early railways. It pushed steamships across the sea. At first, it was just a better source of power. But once that power connected with factories, ships, railways, weapons, finance, and empire, it changed the balance of the world. Around 1840, Qing China had roughly 412 million people. Great Britain, meaning England, Wales, and Scotland, had about 18.5 million people in the 1841 census. Even if you include Ireland, the entire United Kingdom had about 26.7 million people. So Qing China had around 22 times the population of Great Britain, and around 15 times the population of the United Kingdom. And yet, during the First Opium War from 1839 to 1842, Britain showed a military and industrial advantage that Qing China could not match. Of course, that was not because of the steam engine alone. History is never that simple. But the deeper point is clear. Industrialization turned a small island nation into a force that could challenge one of the largest empires on Earth. That is what happens when a new technology does not just improve one tool, but changes production, transportation, weapons, organization, and capital at the same time. Now here is why AI may be even more important. The steam engine replaced muscle, but it could not think. A steam engine could not design a better steam engine. It could not read research papers. It could not write code. It could not analyze data. It could not improve the factory system by itself. AI is different. AI does not only touch physical labor. It enters the world of language, software, research, planning, design, and decision-making. AI is beginning to automate parts of the work where human intelligence and judgment used to be required. Not all of it. AI does not replace responsibility. It does not replace taste. It does not replace wisdom. It does not decide what should matter. But it can already write, summarize, code, analyze, generate, compare, and suggest. And more importantly, AI can participate in the process of building better AI. It can help search for new model architectures. It can help write training code. It can help analyze experiments. It can help optimize algorithms. It can help researchers move faster. That is the real difference. The steam engine accelerated production. AI may accelerate innovation itself. The Industrial Revolution gave humans more power. The AI revolution gives humans more leverage over thinking. And when thinking becomes cheaper, faster, and easier to scale, the bottleneck moves. The bottleneck is no longer just access to information. Everyone will have information. Everyone will have AI tools. The real bottleneck becomes judgment. What should you build? What question should you ask? What result should you trust? What should you ignore? What should you do next? That is why AI is not just another productivity tool. Used badly, AI creates more noise. It helps people consume more, copy more, and think less. But used well, AI makes one person capable of doing work that used to require a team. It makes experiments cheaper. It makes prototypes faster. It makes learning more direct. It makes small builders more dangerous. The first industrial revolution rewarded people who could organize machines. The AI revolution will reward people who can organize intelligence, artificial intelligence, and their own intelligence. Because the future will not belong to people who simply have access to AI. Everyone will have access. The future will belong to people who know what to do with it.